Happy Saturday, y'all. Look, this is how my Saturday went, workflow edition. I made candle melt rocks right here. I'm just making sure that my room is warm so my candles can, dry kind of like an even rate. Start off by pouring them into pans so that they can start getting hard, and this process take about 15 to 20 minutes. After they start to get hard, then I normally like to pour them to a flat surface so that I can start breaking apart the rocks and, just letting them settle like that so that they don't stick when it's time to package them. That's pretty much it for that. So this is the second batch. The second batch, I wanted to spice it up some with watermelon and love spell. To the watermelon, I added red candle dye, and to the love spell, I added rose petals. I just wanted to give it a little bit more spark, so it'll be just a little bit more prettier. But I'm pretty much doing the same routine. In the background back there, you see me, I topped off some candles that I had made earlier. The same routine. Once they start to get hard, I pour them onto a flat surface, and this is what we came out with. Watermelon, vanilla and cashmere, 1,000 wishes, and love spell.